Right, hi there, folks. I thought I would do this quick live broadcast. I've been asked a lot of times recently, what do I think are the best WordPress page and layout plugins that give you a kind of visual editor. So it's a better experience than the present situation with the bog standard WordPress editor that you get with WordPress, which really confuses a lot of people and to some extent is pretty crippled. So I thought I would go through some of what is available at the present moment. I would say there isn't one tool that is perfect. It really depends on what you're looking for, really. But let's start with one, and I'm going to do a screen share here. Oops. And here we go. So, you don't need to see that. So here we go. So let's start with one that I've used extensively, which is from 5 Themes. What would I say that are the good points and the bad points about this particular page builder? Well, it's specifically aimed at landing pages, if you know what that term means. A landing page or a squeeze page. Basically, you're selling a product, a service, you're trying to get an email address. You have a one message on the page and it's aimed at getting one result. And 5 Themes provide an excellent page builder to actually help you with that, building these kind of squeeze pages. It also comes with a really fantastic way of building light boxes. Basically pop-ups, you know, you go to a page, after a number of seconds a pop-up comes up, or you leave a page. It also provides an excellent mechanism for building those. And also the ribbon, you know, go to some pages at the bottom, there's a sign-up bar, that's called a ribbon. So it's multifaceted, basically. So it comes with a lot of value, and also the team behind 5 Themes are excellent marketers themselves. What I would, let's see if somebody's actually watching this be interesting. Oh yeah, it's been watched. That's great. If you want to leave any comments in, actually in the comments, I will be reading them. Basically, I'm broadcasting this from the Business Centre in downtown Reno. It's a fantastic facility as well. So basically, I've spoken to 5 Themes. What are some of its weaknesses? The actual drag and drop functionality isn't as good as the couple of the other products I'll be talking about in a second. It's rather limited in some ways. It's not as fluid, put it that way, as some of the other products I'm going to be showing you. They did update the actual editor a few weeks ago, and that situation has improved quite considerably. Also, the interface, there's a lot of functionality built into this product. So there is a little bit of a learning curve. You know, there's always a balance between functionality and ease of use. The more functionality you have in something, the more it tends to be more complicated, the more effort you've got to put in to learn it. But price-wise, it's membership at the present moment. You basically, I think it starts at $19.99 a month. I think the next one is up $49.99, and I think also they have annual plans as well. That might be the actual annual monthly pricing. I think month to month it's higher. But like I say, go and have a look at it. If you're looking for pop-ups, other kind of marketing tools, you want a kind of Swiss Army knife. I think Fry Themes is one of the most attractive and cost-effective plugin systems you can utilize with WordPress. Now let's get on. The next one I want to talk about is actual Beaver Builder, a great team. They've actually been on my podcast and we had a great interview. So if you want to learn a bit more about the history of Beaver Builder and the people behind it, do go to the WP-Tonic website and you'll be able to watch that great interview and listen to it. Beaver Builder really has hit the scene over the past couple of years, built up a tremendous following. It's a product that I use myself with clients. It comes with a really great interface. Let's run the video and I'll show you a little bit about that.
So, you've spent months crafting a beautiful website for a client, but now they're sending countless emails requesting updates and edits. What if you could have created that same website in days instead of months? And your client could make changes to all the pages themselves. Say hello to Beaver Builder. Beaver Builder is a complete design package for creating responsive WordPress websites without touching a line of code. It works on the front end of your site, meaning the designs you create are exactly what your visitors will see after you hit publish. With Beaver Builder, anyone can easily create.
Now, one of the things I love about Beaver Builder, especially when you're working with a client, is that it is a truly drag and drop editor. And it comes with a library of modules. There's also a third-party community that are building additional modules for the standard modules. It's also, you can switch off certain modules if you only want to give so much functionality to a client. It's very, very versatile, and I love it, basically. Also, I've had tremendous good feedback from clients that are actually utilizing the product. They really like it as well. It's not the most cheapest plugin layout solution, but I actually think it's one of the best. How would I compare it to Fry Themes? Well, they're two very different animals, actually. This Fry Themes is really about helping you build really high converting landing squeeze pages with additional functionality. Beaver Builder is about actually helping you do the kind of edits to pages, or you can inside pages. I found it works with the majority of reasonably well-coded themes. You're not going to have a lot of problems with it not working with a particular theme. It also works really well with Genesis. I found that, what is Genesis? Genesis is a secondary kind of framework that works on top of WordPress core. And it was developed by Studio Press, and it has an excellent reputation for code quality. I found Genesis with Beaver Builder excellent combination. Licensing price, if we get out the video, which might be a good idea. Let's go to pricing. Let's go to pricing. It's certainly not, like I say, it's not the cheapest. Basically, I have the agency product. Beaver Builder were very kind in doing me a special deal on that, and it's much appreciated. You can start at $99. One of the beauty is that's for the year. and you can clearly see what you're missing. I think the 199, if you've got multiple sites and you want the ability to do a lot more with editing page content, is a fantastic price. I think the 99 price is really good as well. You really got to, one of the things with the 99 is you don't have multi-site functionality. And multi-site is an additional functionality on the core WordPress that allows you to have one admin interface and you can have multiple websites. But I would definitely recommend Beaver Builder to anybody that's looking for a versatile system. I'm just seeing if I've got any comments. Doesn't look so. So on to the next one. Another big player in this is Divi from Elegant Themes. Elegant Themes is a marketplace where for a one-time fee, you have access to a large library of WordPress themes, and then you get a year's also support, and you if you want to renew after a year, you get it at a discounted price on top. And I think that price was around 89. I'm just going to run quickly the promo video just to give you, it's best to show you some of the functionality of Divi.
Divi 3.0 has arrived. With it, the all-new visual builder that allows you to create pages visually on the front end of your website. Speed is incredible, the interface is beautiful, and the experience is pure magic. There's so much that I want to tell you about Divi 3.0, but honestly, the best way to explain the power of the new visual builder is just to show you. The new visual builder allows you to make changes to your website on your actual website. Load up a page, click into a paragraph, and just start typing. Highlight some text and adjust its font and style. Drag an element and watch it. Add new items from any of Divi's 40+ content elements, customize their design, and see everything happen instantly. No page refreshes, little to no loading bars, and absolutely no need to preview your changes because everything's happening right before your eyes.
Well, rather slick video, to say the least. What are the differences between Divi 3 and Beaver Builder? Well, before Divi 3 came out, Divi 1 and 2 was utilising to some extent a technology in WordPress that's called shortcodes, and it tended to use them extensively. I'm not totally against the use of this particular technology, shortcodes, but it does make editing, if you remove the plugin, rather difficult. With Beaver Builder, they're not utilising shortcodes, but on the other hand, it is machine-generated code. So I think sometimes the differences and the benefits you're going to get are sometimes a little bit overstated. I haven't used Divi 3 in anger. The other thing is it's unlike Beaver Builder. Beaver Builder is a plugin, like I say, and any kind of quality coded theme, it generally works with it. And like I say, it especially likes Genesis to some extent. It worked with any reasonably well-coded theme. Divi is a theme in itself. So it's not exactly a plugin. You get this theme and you can build layouts, websites, but it doesn't actually work with a theme that you've bought, and then you so you've got to keep that in mind. How it actually works with with Elegant Themes' own library of themes, I'm not totally knowledgeable on yet. I'm into. I have actually got a license, and we have helped a lot of clients with websites that have built with Divi, and they wanted to expand the functionality. So we have got considerable experience, but I haven't played around with Divi 3 yet, but it does look a really quite powerful solution. In the WordPress community though, theme-based page builders and website builders haven't got a fantastic reputation, and it's looked upon that if you're looking for real flexibility, that kind of should be inside a plugin, which you get with Beaver Builder and with 5 themes. So you really got to make out your mind what you're looking for, basically. I'm not going to waffle on anymore. I thought I would just do this quick video and do this Facebook Live. If you found this useful and you would like some more quick educational kind of videos about WordPress, leave some comments in the Facebook, and I'll do some more. Like I say, I'm doing this from the Bosnia Business Centre. We support their websites, WP-Tonic does. They've been very gracious, and they allow me access to some of their great offices. It's a shared facility in the centre of Reno. I would highly recommend it. It's very, very pleasant here to work from. And give them a call if you're looking for a shared office environment. Speak to you soon, folks. See you later.